Turn left onto Alleghaneyville Road.
Oh, it looks like there was already an accident here. Oh boy.
Proceed 2 miles on the current road.
Well, sadly, it looks like someone already got in an accident, but we're still on our way here. What's up, family, at the American Muscle Show, and it is hot as all heck. Beautiful Mustangs. It's a lot of Mustangs with a lot of heat, so enjoy. I'm roasting, and I wear all black. Real smart. There's Eco Beast, all cleaned up. Came a little late. A lot of people left early. They left at like I was supposed to leave like 6 in the morning. I can't do that on a Saturday. Too lazy. So I left. I got here around 10:30. People been here since like 7. I heard some people came here overnight and were setting up, but Manny's here, RTR 50, S50 is here, Capital, a bunch of people that I connected with are here. And of course, just mad sponsors, car companies. The heat's getting me, y'all. Y'all enjoy.
Everyone says with the V6 you should do the H.
I would suggest the H. Not personally, but I've heard X is better for performance. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So say this is about 100 each row, and if they're 5 rows deep, that's about 500 each. 500 that's 1,000. That's about 2,000. Like this rough estimate, that's about 2,500.
I still like our body style. That's 550 is my favorite.
Oh yeah.
My second favorite, right there.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh
A lot
yeah.
of them here. There's a lot of Shelby presence here.
You know what? I like it.
Yep. This is Victor with the RTR 550. Make sure you follow this guy's channel.
I was the biggest thing I've dipped is my spoiler. I'm still like, you know what I mean? I thought this was a rap job at first.
No, this is definitely good. And he did a pretty good job.
So was this your daily or weekend?
Daily. Every day. Yeah,
My dude, yo. That's what's up.
My daily. I mean, you can tell there's rock spin shit like that.
Dude, I'm a daily too. And this is my car I take back and forth to work.
Yeah, so all the pipes are fabricated by Speed Factory. So charge pipes, Turbo Smart, cloth valves, and I just got a big turbo from.
Have you ran it yet?
No, I haven't ran it. But
You got a big turbo? You about to put it?
yeah, I got a big turbo. I got a 55mm that's gonna go in probably next week from what are they called? Map Performance.
Yeah, MAP? Is it MAP or MAP?
I
don't know, man.
Yeah, but it's gonna go on next week.
This looks good. This looks so mean, bro.
Thank you.
You can see the welds. Look at the T-bolt clamps.
Yeah, like I said, like the weld on this.
That was smart by you to like say what's good.
Yeah, see, everything's the speed factor, and I love it.
Dude, man. Got home from the American Muscle Show, the hottest car show of my entire life. It was great, but man, it was just, I don't know, it felt like 300 degrees. I just couldn't take it. And plus, like I said, I was wearing all black, trying to look good, but I was roasting. Good time, but you know, again, I think the heat kind of took over the whole show for me. I couldn't even kind of concentrate or film or even talk to people. It was just so much heat. My favorite part of the show was my root beer float, and that was pretty good. And I got stopped by a guy who said, "Listen, can you rev it for me, bro?" And I said, "Yeah, it's EcoBoost." He's like, "Nah, I'm good." So I was like, "All right." I was just like, "All right, fine." So it was funny. But it was fun. I saw a lot of people. I didn't get to film. It was just, the reason is because my actual camera said it was too hot. Like, it wouldn't even record. It wouldn't turn on. So crazy good time, but really hot. So all right, EcoBeast out.